back to the channel. So today I thought that I would go ahead and finish putting things on my Etsy shop. I still have all the bodysuits and sets to put on the shop. I gotta take pictures of them, create the listings, and upload them. A lot of this is Christmas stuff, so I'm definitely really far behind on that. That should have been up the second that I ended the craft fair show, but I had a lot going on in between. So today I'm going to finish that. I have already updated all my wax melts, headbands, diapers, and everything else that you see on there. That's already all updated. Now I am just down to those pieces, and once it's done, I can go ahead and move on to the next thing. I still have my stack of fabrics over here that I gotta work on, and I got some more diapers and stuff that I was supposed to also have done, but I don't. I'll probably get to those eventually. I was cleaning earlier, so I was trying to get some of the things done first. With that being said, I think what I'm going to work on right now is just the bodysuits and then the sets if I have time to get those uploaded and onto the Etsy shop for sure. I'm probably going to discount a lot of stuff because I need things to move, and I want to make room for some of the plans that I have for next year, since that's kind of technically around the corner at this point. I mean, this year went by really fast, and yeah, so I am going to clean off the desk, wipe it down, and get ready for taking lots and lots of pictures and uploading as much as I can today. The goal will be to have them all uploaded today, but we'll see if I can get that far. And then starting hopefully pretty soon I can get working on everything else, and I can start moving things around, and we'll see how it goes. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out the Etsy shop. As I said, I'm going to discount a lot of things probably tonight. Probably by the time this video goes up, hopefully all of this stuff is on sale and kind of moving. There is also more headbands, and there's baby headbands. I added some of the baby headbands on there now. It was mostly like teen adult headbands, but now the baby ones are also on there. And then cloth diapers that I still have, and I think so far that might be it that's on there. So yeah, so with that being said, let me go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start with the stack right here. I have mostly all of the pants and the cardigans, and then I have this setup over here. It was rolled, so I'm kind of putting that on each corner to hold it in place. Once I'm done with this, I have to do all of the bodysuits. Those are a little bit more, so I'm going to start with these first and see how it kind of goes. Get all this uploaded hopefully today, and keep on going from there. So I have all of these to still get done, all of these, and I forgot about those. These are the ones I've done so far, and then I have all of those to still do. So slowly making progress. I'm just having to go through and put like all the sizes and how many you have of each, and it's just taking a lot longer than I thought, but I'm hoping to still have enough good light coming through to continue taking pictures and then finish up everything. All right, so I'm making some progress. I am sorting by the sizes of each one I have already done, to then move on to, those are all different designs. I'm gonna do the same thing, and then I am now just down to this here. Those over there, those are done. I put everything else that was already done away, and I'm just down to what's right here so far, which is mostly what's over here, and I just separate it, and I'm gonna go by sizes. So I'm gonna separate everything that is the same design together by that size, so 3, 6, 9, or whatever it is. So it'll be a lot easier for me to put it on the inventory or onto Etsy, how many I have of each, just like I did with this. I'm just gonna do the same thing for all those other ones. And I already have pictures of this, so I'm just going to re-upload the listing for this, and then some of those I actually need to take pictures because they're new. So that's where I'm at so far. Alright, small update. I have those next. Then I am just down to that, and then I have to upload everything and edit the listing and get everything set. But that is as much as I'm down to now for pictures. Alright, so I've taken pictures of everything. I just have these here because I have to put in how many of each size I already have. It's just a tag that I use for the craft fair show. It's got the size to separate each size. So basically what I'm down to, I just have to, again, count how many of each size I have so I can edit on there correctly. I thankfully got to take all the pictures. The sun's kind of gone away now. It's getting cloudy. So I am going to finish doing this point more like an inventory, uploading the pictures and things like that, and I'm gonna finish off hopefully having everything uploaded so far that's completely ready for shipping. Alright everyone, I just want to show you that everything's available on the site now, including the sets, and everything's on sale as well and ready for shipping. So if you place an order now, you should be receiving a shipping notification within the first 2 business days that's gone out. With that being said, I am going to see hopefully everyone on the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you in the next one.